Good afternoon, students. Sai Ram. Let us continue with chapter number 1, Numbers Beyond 999. Today, we are going to learn a new topic, which is skip counting in hundreds and thousands, more than and less than. Children, you know why skip counting is important? It is important because it will help you to see patterns in numbers. Children, it will also help you to calculate in your head rather than using fingers to count. Children, it will also help you to make strategies that may be used to solve addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication problems. So, today let us start with this new topic, skip counting in hundreds. Children, counting in hundreds is very simple. In hundreds, we have three places: ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. We start with number 100. We know that the digit 1 is at hundreds place. Right? To count a 3-digit number in a skip counting of 100, we just add 1 to the hundreds place and we get the next number in the sequence. Now your 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the next number in sequence, if we skip 100, will be 200. Children, it is very easy. If you want to skip count in hundreds, we have to add only 1 to the hundreds place, to the number. Let us understand with the help of an abacus. Now here you can see one bead is in hundreds place, right? Now if I put here one more bead, that means it is 200, right? Now if the next number, if I skip 100, it will be 300, then 400, 500, 600, and so on and on and on. Children, so skip counting in hundreds only changes the sequence of digit at the hundreds place, keeping the tens and the ones place digit intact. We are not supposed to touch any other digit. For example, if it is a 4-digit number, we are not going to touch even the thousands place. Only the hundreds place we are going to skip. Now let us see one more example. Look at the number 426. If you want to find the next number by skipping hundreds, then we have to add 1 in the hundreds place. Children, we are not going to touch the tens and the ones place. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. Our next number will be 526. This is how we are going to skip count in hundreds. We can say that skip count in hundreds means skipping hundreds places. The digit at the tens and the ones place will remain the same. See one more example. Here we have all the numbers in sequence, and it is also a 4-digit number. We are not going to touch thousands place, ones place, and tens place. Only the number in the hundreds place is skipping by 100. The first number is 1445. So the next number, if we skip 100, it will be 5. 1545. And the next number, it will be 1645. If we add one more to this 6, it will become 7. So the number is 1745. Then the number is 1845, 1945. Children, can you look at the last number where the thousands place is also changing. Why is it changing? If I write 1945, right? I have to skip 100. That means I have to add 1 to my hundreds place. Other digits are going to be same. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I have to carry 1 and 0. You will write it here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my next number, if I have number 9 in hundreds place, the thousands place is also going to change. So the number will be 2045. Children, guess what will be the next number? It will be 2145, then 2100, 245, 2345, and so on. Now let us see what is skip counting in thousands. The rules are same. Here only in thousands place we have to add 1 because we are skip counting in thousands. Children, now let us see an example. Read this number. It is 5426. Now we have to skip counting in thousands. So we have to concentrate only the thousands place. That is, we have to add 1 to the thousands place. Other numbers in hundreds place, tens and ones will remain the same. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the next number, if I skip 1000, it will be 6426. Right, children? Now, let us see one more example in sequence. We are going to skip here thousands place, 1000. The first number is 6108. So the next number is 7108. Then 8108 and finally 9108. The other digits in hundreds, tens and ones place are not going to change. We have to only add 1 in thousands place. This is how we are going to skip count in hundreds and thousands. Children, now let us move on to our next topic, which is more than and less than. Read this number loudly. 6749. Now, if I want to find a number 2 more than 6749, we are going to add. If more is given, that means if 2 more is given, that means we have to plus 2. So, 6749 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 will be carry over and 1 you have to write it down. 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 will be in hundreds place and 6 will be in thousands place. So children, here we are trying to find out what is 2 more than a number. That means we have to add 2 to that particular number and we will get our answer. The answer is 6751. Now, let us take a different example. Read this number now. 8156. Suppose we have to find 3 less than the number. Now here we don't have to find more. We have to find less. Less how many numbers? 3. Less means we have to subtract. We have to subtract 3 from 8156. We are going to do it like this. It is 8156 minus 3 because we are finding less than. 6 minus 3 is 3. then 5 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, and 8 in thousands place. Always you are going to start from which place? Ones place, whenever we are adding or we are subtracting. It is very important. The answer we will get as 8153. So children, if they are asking us to find more than, then we have to add, and if they are asking us to find less than, that means we have to subtract. Children, I hope you have understood how to skip count, how to find more than or less than. Let us solve few sums from our exercise 4.1. That is question number 2. Skip count in hundreds and complete the pattern. Children, take out your notebook and write the following questions and try to find out the answers also. The first one is 4531. Then we have 4631. We have to skip count in hundreds. So only hundreds place is going to change. Try to find the answer, children. So the answers are 4731, 4831, 4931 and 5031. Why here the thousands place is changing? Because as I told you, if we have number 9 in hundreds place, the thousands place is also going to change, because 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to add 1 to the thousands place. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So the answer will be 5031. Children, did you write B answer? The question was 5287, 5387. So the next number, if we skip count in hundreds, it will be 5487, 5587, then 5687 and 5787. Only the hundreds place is going to change. Children, now let us move on to question number 3, which is skip count in thousands and complete the pattern. Now here two numbers are given. We have to complete the sequence, the pattern by skip counting by 1000. So here only the thousands place is going to change. Children, read the question carefully, whether they are asking to skip count in thousands or hundreds place. Otherwise, you will get a wrong answer. The first one is 1045, then 2045. So the next number will be 3045, then 4045, 5045, 6045. Our B question was 3986, 4986. Only the thousands place we have to add 1 to find the next number. So our answer, our next number in pattern will be 5986, 6986, 7986 and finally 8986. Children, now let us move on to question number 4, match the following. In match the following, we have more than and less than. In A side, we have 4 more than 2096, 1 less than 4000, 10 less than 9,989. 100 more than 7,685. On the B side, all the answers are given. Children, you can solve this mentally also, okay? But otherwise, you can also write it down and you can solve like this. Like A1 was 4 more than 2096. More means addition. So we have to add 4 to 2096. You can calculate it orally also. If we add the numbers, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, and 1 will be in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. So our answer will be 2100. A B question was 1 less than 4000. Less than means to subtract. How many we have to subtract? Only 1. To which number? 4000. Now here we have 4 in thousands place and 0, 0, 0 in hundreds, tens and ones place. So let us subtract. 0 minus 1, is it possible? No. So we have to borrow from tens place. In tens place also we have 0. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. In hundreds place also we have 0. So finally we have to borrow from thousands place. So we have to cut number 4 and we will write here 4 minus 1 is 3 and 0 will become 10. Now the 0 in the tens place can go to hundreds place and borrow 1. So 10 minus 1 will be 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now the 0 in the ones place will borrow from number 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and 0 will become 10 in ones place. This is how we are going to borrow. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 in tens place will be 9. 9 in hundreds place will be 9. And 3 in thousands place will be 3. So my answer for 1 less than 4000 should be 3999. Or children, you can also remember before number and after number. 1 less than is your before number. Before 4000 is 3999. Now the C1 is 10 less than 9989. 9989 minus 10. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 1 will be 7. 9 in hundreds place is 9 and 9 in thousands place will be 9. So the answer is 9979. The last one is 100 more than 7685. Children, now more than means addition. We have to add 100 more to this number. Only the hundreds place is going to change. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. So our answer is 7785. Children, I hope you have got all these answers. Children, I hope you have understood today's concept of more than and less than and also skip counting. So practice in your home and thank you students.